Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, class. How are you all? Hopefully you all are fine. Okay, beta, open your countdown book. Open the page number. Open the page number 83. Okay. We will do the topic subtraction. Okay. Question number 1 is write the number in the box. What should be subtracted? One has done for you. Okay. We will fill in the empty box. 5 minus 3, we will got the answer 2. Okay. Like here. Question number B is 6 minus dash. You can find from here. You can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extra. Cut 4 lines. The answer is 2. Okay. In the same way, 9 minus dash the equal to 2. You can cut 9 minus 2. The answer will be 7. Okay. You can count on your fingers. Okay. Here is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cut to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. In the same way, question number D is 13 minus dash is equals to 8. When we deduct 13 minus 8, the answer will be 5. Okay, question number E is 14 minus dash is equals to 9. When we cut 14 minus 9, the answer will be 5. 14 minus 5, the answer is 9. Question number F is 19 minus dash is equals to 11. When we deduct 19 minus 8, the answer is 11. When we deduct 19 minus 11, the answer is 8. The next one is 7 minus dash is equals to 5. 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Next one is 8 minus dash is equals to 6. When we cut 8 minus 2, the answer is 6. When we cut 8 minus 6, the answer is 2. Question number I is 11 minus dash is equals to 7. When we cut 11, deduct 7 from the 11, the answer is 4. 11 minus 4, the answer is 7. Next one is 15 minus 5 is equals to 10. When we deduct 15 minus 10, the answer is 5. Okay, the next one is 18 minus dash is equals to 15. 18 minus 15, the answer is 3. When we cut 18 minus 3, the answer is 15. The next one is 20 minus dash is equals to 10. When we cut 20 minus 12, the answer is 8. Okay class, now look at page number 84. Beta, we have already done in detail addition and subtraction and many other topics. Just we are doing practice and you have to done. Okay. Okay, look at here. Review addition and subtraction. Number 1. Question is, the number line will help you to add and subtract. Okay. That is the line. Okay, question number A is 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10. The answer is 60. These are 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 60. Okay, 10 minus 10, remaining is 0. There is nothing. Okay, 30 minus 20, 0 deduct 0 and 3 minus 2, 1. 1, 0, 10. The next one is 90 minus 40. The answer is 50. Look at here. 90 minus 40. Cut 1, 10, 20, 30, 40. The answer is 50. Okay. Okay. 90 minus 40. The answer is 50. Okay. The next one is 80 minus 30. Cut 30. 0 minus 0. 8 minus 3. The answer is 5. Okay. 80 minus 30. Answer is 50. Now we will add 60 plus 30. 6 and 3, 9. Okay. Question number G is 40 plus 20. The answer is 60. And the next one is 70 minus 60. The answer is 10. Okay. Now these are the questions you already done. Okay. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. You can write 2 times or you can write only 1 time. Both are right. Okay. Question number J is 50 plus 70. 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 5 and 2, 7. The answer is 70. In the same way, now we will deduct question number K. 0 minus 0, the answer is 0. 8 minus 7, the answer is 1. The answer 1, 0, 10. Now question number L. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 1, 8. The answer is 80. Question number M. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 and 3, 6. You can use your fingers, you can draw lines and you can add in your mind. Okay. 40 plus 0. 0 means nothing. You will write 40 as it is. 0 plus 0, 0. 7 and 2, 9. The answer is 90. 0 minus 0, the answer is 0. 5 minus 4, the answer is 1. Okay. The next is 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. The answer is 0. You can write only 1 time and you can write both 0. Both are correct. Okay. You can use this line also if you find any difficulty. Look at here. If 50 minus 40, 50 minus 40, the only remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now look at page number 85. Review addition and subtraction. Question number 1. Have fun coloring the t-shirt. Work out the problems. Match your answer with those of the color guide. If your answer is 10, you will do red color. If your answer is 25, you will do orange color. If your answer is 50, you will do yellow color. If your answer is 15, you will do blue color. If the answer is 30, you will do purple color. If the answer is 14, you will do green color. Okay, beta. When we add 30 plus 20, the answer will be 50. Okay. In 50, you will do the color yellow. You will do in your HW. Coloring will do in your HW. Now we are doing classwork and 2 lines you will do in your HW. Okay. The next one is 15 plus 10. 15 and 10, 25. Okay. In 25, you will do the orange color. 30 minus 20, the answer is 10. In the same way, in 10 color, you will do the red color. 20 plus 10, 30. In 30, you will do the purple color. 10 plus 5, the answer is 15. In 15, you will do blue color. 80 minus 70, the answer is 10. In 10, you will do red color. 28 minus 14, 8 minus 4, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. The answer is 14. You will do green color. 20 plus 5, 0 or 5, 5. 2 as it is. 25. In 25, you will do orange color. And next 2 lines you will do in your HW and do the coloring. And send me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.